Hello, my name is Megan and welcome to my channel. This is officially my second video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. Well, I guess let's get started. So usually before I start my makeup, I do work with my eyebrows first. I take a little eyebrow razor like this, except this one's actually pretty big. I'm not a big fan of these really big ones because I'm very accident prone. I tend to shave a little too much off, but let's see. I'm gonna take like an eyebrow spoolie real quick and just comb them out. I have very long eyebrow hairs and I also have very sparse eyebrows, so there. Alright, so these are about as clean as I'm going to be able to get them. They don't look that bad. What we're going to do is I am going to take my Too Faced primer, and I really like this primer because it adds a nice glow to your face. And it smells really good. Alright, to start off, I usually conceal first. I'm completely all out of the concealer that I usually use. I usually use this NYX HD concealer in porcelain, but in my opinion, the porcelain color is not light enough for my skin. It kind of has like a yellowy tint to it, and I do have yellow undertones in my skin, but it's too yellow, and it's just, I feel like it's not porcelain enough, you know? I use the NYX Wonder Stick for now because it adds that more moist look to my face that I really like. I'm not good. Oh goodness, I look crazy. And in here, I just have some rose water, which I usually spray. What is all over my beauty blender? I'm not gonna lie, I really need to clean my beauty blenders. I use the Physicians Formula foundation. Let's see, what shades it in the shade LC1, and I personally like this brand because their stuff is usually hypoallergenic, and I have very sensitive skin and it tends to break out. I take my brush like this. This is my foundation brush. I usually don't like to use a beauty blender. So next, I take my brush and my bronzer and I just dab a little bit on there. life in my face. And now we are going to go for, we're gonna go for blush. Alright, so next I do my eyebrows. And I don't really mess with the shape of my eyebrows, I kind of just fill them in. I am going to take some setting powder. Next, I use the Too Faced Lip Injections Lip Plumper on my lips while I am doing my eye makeup. I'm very simple with eyeshadow when it comes to my everyday look. So I have this palette from Smashbox. It's the Cover Shot Ablaze Eye Palette. I don't get tired of that, it's so fun. I do take this big brush and I just put it in this one right here. Okay. And then I just take this brush, which still has a little bit of the color that I use every day on it, which is this kind of color right here. It's like a rose gold color. On the back, it says the color is called Siesta. And next, I am going to take, obviously not that brush because that brush is dirty. I'm going to take this brush right here and dip it into the same color. Alright. Then I'm going to take this brush right here, this little angled brush, and I'm just going to dip it into this color right here, right there, and I believe that one is called Throwback. But I'm very, very light with this color. You don't want too much, just a tiny, tiny bit. And then go right under the pupil of your eye. Makes them look larger. Next, I usually do highlight now on my eyes. My sister got me this palette for Christmas. It's an eyeshadow palette, but some of the colors in there I find more of like a nice highlighting colors. So like I use this one, and this one all for highlighting. Oops, sorry. I do use a mixture of these two. So I will start off with the lighter shade and then go over it with the golden shade just to kind of warm it up. Eyeshadow's done, and now we are going to go in with eyeliner. Just like that. No. One side always ends up thicker, and then it's like a battle to try to even it out, and then they get thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker, and then you start to panic, and then you have a mental breakdown and wipe all your makeup off. Alright, so we're going to curl my eyelashes. Alright. And then I use this Wet n Wild Mega Protein mascara. See, this mascara actually isn't bad at all, and it was only $2. Like, look at my eyelashes. Wet n Wild Mega Length, and the reason why I got this one is because it had like a fine brush, and I really like these finer brushes because then it helps me get to the bottom lashes better. Then I take my NYX Wonder pencil, and I just put that right on my waterline. And lastly, I do my lips, the Sugar Rush Sugar Coat in the color Sprinkle. And I've recently just been using this one. I really like it. It has like a nice like velvet finish, and it doesn't really transfer when you put it on, and it just has the texture of like baby powder on your lips. It's so soft. This is what the color looks like. It's very nice, and it has this smell to it where it smells like a sugar ice cream cone. Last but not least, setting spray. I use the Pixi setting spray it's called Glow Mist, and it's got like argan oil in it, so it gives you that natural look to your skin. But that's about it, and that is the finished look. I don't want to get too close because you can still see the texture in my skin, obviously. I don't like to really clog my pores and make it too caked on my face. I like the fact that my skin, my face doesn't feel caked when I do my makeup. It feels like skin, feels like it's supposed to, and it's very just nice and light. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And please go watch my first video on my channel. It's my nighttime skin routine. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys.